Yes, guys, as you saw in the title, China fixed it. They just created an AI video generator that breaks all the rules. No subscriptions, no limitation, no need for multiple accounts. This thing is an absolute beast, but it's a little tricky to use. So stick with me. Don't skip a second because I'll show you how to use it properly. First, take a look at these videos. Crazy, right? Well, they were all made using this platform, StepFunAI.com. And unlike other AI tools, StepFun AI doesn't require a Gmail or Google account to sign up. Instead, it only accepts mobile phone numbers. So how to sign up on StepFun AI? Let's open the website and translate the page to English so we can actually understand what's going on. Register with your phone number, choose your country, enter your number, and request a verification code. But what if your country isn't supported? Don't worry, I got you. You can use this website to get a US number to receive SMS. Pick a number, copy it, and go back to StepFun AI. Change the country to US, and it didn't change. Is the website broken? It's broken. Well, maybe. But don't panic, there's a simple fix. Switch the site back to Chinese, then select your country. Enter your number, get your verification code, refresh the page, copy the code, paste it, and we're in. Wait, don't go and try it just yet. There's one more thing you need to know. And now that we're in, let's generate a video. Upload a generated image and type a description. You can tick the optimized description box for better results, or just get it from ChatGPT, click create, and let the AI work its magic. And there it is, your AI generated video. Good. Now let's download it. When you download the video, you might notice it doesn't open. That's because it's not an MP4 format. It's HEVC, which is commonly used in China. But no worries, here's how to fix it. Option 1, download an HEVC player. Option 2, which I used, convert the video to MP4. Just use an online converter. Upload your video, download the MP4 file, and you're good to go. Now you can use StepFun AI without any issues. So if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. I'll be sharing more AI tools to help you stay ahead in this AI revolution and actually make money with AI. Also, I'm starting a brand new YouTube Shorts channel from scratch, and I want you to join me. I'll show you real results and tricks to grow fast. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.